Hello friends, welcome to the Easy Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you 3 easy methods to check the specifications and features of your laptop or PC. Let's get started. Method 1. Using Windows settings. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Now, click on System, scroll down and select About. Here, you can see detailed system specifications, including the device name, processor, RAM, system type, and more. Method 2. Using system information. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type msinfo32, then click OK. This will open the System Information window, displaying a complete overview of your computer's hardware and software details. Method 3. Using Command Prompt. Go to the Start menu, search for CMD, and open Command Prompt. Type System Info, then press Enter. Your system's detailed specifications will be displayed, including Windows version, BIOS details, installed updates, and more. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Thanks for watching.